Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make something very simple. I have some ikan bilis here, anchovies, put inside a tea bag. Then I'm going to use this to make anchovies broth and put in some fishball. Done, yeah? I have some fried shallot and shallot oil here and some tong choy. So first of all, let's boil some hot water here. Put in a few pieces of ginger and then put in the anchovies. The thing to take note here is that if you're cooking like this, then let's just boil for about 5 minutes, good enough. The flavor will release and it will be okay. It will not be fishy. If you cook it for too long, let's say for 15, 20 minutes, then your whole soup will be very fishy, yeah? So the thing about making anchovies broth is that cook it for about 5 minutes, good enough. There's also another way. This is taught by my followers. They said if you don't want your anchovies broth to be fishy, all you need to do is fry the anchovies first. Then it won't be fishy. So up to you lah. Usually Appa's lazy. I just put it like this and cook it for 5 minutes. I just found fresh coriander roots. This will help to remove fishies. This will help to remove any fishiness, if any lah. Optional. I found it, so I put it in. Alright, this is after about 5 minutes. Let's take out the anchovies. And you can also take out the ginger and also fresh coriander roots. Actually, I don't mind leaving the fresh coriander roots there. Next thing, I'm going to put in the fishball. I'm going to add in some tong choy. Let's give it some fine salt. Few dashes of premium Vietnamese fish sauce. White pepper. Some fried garlic and fried shallot and shallot oil. Almost done. Just boil the fishball for I think 1-2 minutes. Right, this after about 1 minute plus, definitely good enough. Let me move it to the serving bowl. Oh, I like these big ones. Actually, this is from my personal most favorite fishball shop. It is actually from Johor Bahru. Originate from Johor Bahru. And I'm going to garnish it with some spring onion on top. Alright, done. If you like my very simple video today, if you do share my video on Facebook to your friends, come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.